Hello, this is Nina Lewis here from Nina Online, and then now we're going to do the emergency. We have an emergency project that we have to do, which is all about doing it basically the same thing we're doing for the other optimization, but this is for colleges. So the first thing I did, I'm going to show you how I did it. The first thing I did was actually pull up the Excel spreadsheet, okay? So I pulled up the Excel spreadsheet. Now what I want to do is I want to actually go ahead and copy and paste this here. Okay, once I copy and paste that, I want to go into the the control center. However, with this one, it's slightly different because this is for the emergency project. So with the emergency project, instead of going into security and tools, we're actually going to go into content. Actually, let's go into, let me find it for a second, because it's different. Just one moment. Instead of going into the security and tools and content manager, we're actually going to just click on pages here. And then once we click on pages, we're going to copy and paste the link just to make sure that it's working correctly, to make sure that we have the correct information here. So UC Irvine Student Storage 92617 and URL UC. So let's just make sure. It may be a little different, but that's the right one. We're going to have to change the keywords. So let's see, UC Irvine. So let's make sure UC Irvine Student Self-Storage Moving. I just want to make sure that's the right URL, and it is the right URL. You see how it says UC Irvine Self-Storage Moving, and that says UC Irvine Self-Storage Student Self-Storage Moving. So we just want to make sure it's the right URL. Okay, so once it's the right URL, I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to look at the copy. Once I look at the copy, I'm going to look at it, and I'm actually going to go ahead and copy and paste everything here, but I'm not sure. I want to check this out because I got to ask him about this, but I'm just going to copy and paste all of this right now. And once I copy and paste this, what I'm going to do really quick, and sometimes it's going to highlight there. I don't want that copied and pasted. All I want copied and pasted is right here with the picture and all the text. All the text that I want copied and pasted. So once I do all the text, I'm going to copy and paste this right now. Now I'm going to go and open a Word document. I'm going to create a new Word document here. However you want to do it, but please, it has to be Word, and when you save it in Word, can you save it in a 97 to 2003 Word document if you can, because usually it's just very difficult for me to open up any other file. I just want it to be easy as possible. Okay, so I'm very finicky too about the certain fonts that I like things saved in. So also I want to save it in either Arial or Verdana. Arial or Verdana. Those are the two fonts that I want to use, but right now I'm going to be using Verdana. So the first step I want to do is I want to make sure I'm going to change the keyword to the actual. Now it's called UCI, I think that's UCI, yeah, because Irvine, right? UCI storage. So I'm going to UCI storage. I'm going to make that as a primary keyword. Again, I want to take that URL from here, UC Irvine Storage, take that URL, and then I want to go ahead and copy and paste it here so that URL I have for easy access later. Okay, and now it has a secondary keyword. For the secondary keyword, I'm going to go in and type in UC Irvine Storage, secondary, UC Irvine Storage. That's a secondary keyword, okay? And now let's see if they have supplemental keywords. If it has supplemental keywords, I'm going to go over here and check. And it does have some supplemental keywords. Again, I'm not proficient in Excel, so if you know how to copy and paste both of these at the same time, be my guest and go ahead. But me, I'm going to do it the slow way, copying it one at a time, and then going to the next one, self-storage near UC Irvine. Let me escape that and then go here and then type in the next one. So I'll go here, and then after that I'll probably put in supplemental keywords or supplement keywords so that I know that I want that supplemental keywords. Okay, so that's what we do. So right now I want to go ahead and save it. Again, remember I want to save it under the actual name, which is UCI Storage. UCI Storage. Let me just make sure that is correct because I thought student was in there. Oh, not UCI storage. It is UCI storage. Okay. So now that UCI storage is in there, I'm going to go ahead and save it. UCI storage under the exact keyword under 97 to 2003 document. So I'll go ahead and save that. So once I save that, that's all I have to do for right now. Well, that's all you would have to do for right now. Once you save it, you're going to go ahead and actually what I probably want to do as well while I'm thinking about it is I probably want you on every single page, I would like you to do the following right here. One moment. On every single page, I want you to write the title H1, the meta title, the meta keyword, and the meta description. That's what I would like for you to do. So give me 1 second and I'll show you what you would. Okay, so once that is done, what you would want to do is go ahead and write the title H1, the meta title, the meta keywords, and meta description. You can also copy and paste it. Like when you do this one, you can just copy and paste this to the other ones. But this is what I need done. So you see here, there is the actual link to the URL. I need you to write the primary keyword. I need you to write the secondary keyword. I need you to write the supplemental keywords. And if you can, actually separate the supplemental keywords by a comma so I can know which keyword is which keyword, because sometimes they don't make sense. And then now I want you to put a title, H1, meta title, meta keywords, and meta description, which we will be using at a later time. Now that we do that, I want you to go ahead and save that one more time. Save under in a Word 97 to 2003 document and save it under the exact keyword that I need you to save it under. So UCI storage. So go ahead and save that. And once you save that, you can send it to me. Once you send it to me, what I will be doing is rewriting the article. Once I rewrite the article, I'll put in the title, I'll put in the meta title, I'll put in the meta keywords, I'll put in the meta description, I'll change this, I'll delete the picture, everything will be changed. Once I go ahead and rewrite this article, I'll send it to you to upload, and I'll show you this live in the next video. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know, and we can take it from there. Okay?